everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use student submissions in UP. So right now, I'm synced to my lecture as an instructor. This is a client. And as a student, if I go to the website, this is what it looks like, and I can choose to sync to the instructor's slide because the instructor is synced. So there's 4 different types of student submissions. The first type is multiple choice, so let's go ahead and look at that. So for instance, this is a multiple choice question. If I want the student to vote on it, I can just click up here on Enable Submissions, and then in the website, students will be able to look at this box there that says Create a Submission. So as a student, they would click on Multiple Choice, and then it'll show them the slide and all the different choices, so they can choose whatever choice they want. For example, B, Submit, and they can vote again if they want to. So let's choose D. Okay, submit. So after they submit it, in the client, the instructor will see this box has turned red. That means that a student has submitted something. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see a graph with all the different choices they picked. In this case, it was 1 vote for B and 1 vote for D. So the instructor can choose to show that to the students, and all they have to do is just double click on it, and then the students will be able to see that graph. Now the next type of submission is a text submission. So let's go ahead and see how that works. This is a question suitable for a text submission. So the students can go and select text, and now they have to choose where they want to put that text. So let's go ahead and pick here. Wait a little bit. And now they go ahead and type in whatever they want to type. For instance, here's an answer. And they can go ahead and update that, and that'll show them what it'll look like. And if the student likes it, they can hit submit. And now the instructor can, same as before, go up here and click on Show Submissions and look at the submissions. Now they can choose to not show the submission to the students. They just have to click on Hide Submissions, and the students will not be able to see them. But if they'd like the students to see them, then same as before, they just have to go ahead and double click the submission they want to show, and then the students will be able to see that. There we go. Now the next type is an ink submission, and this is only for students that have tablets. So what students can do is they can go ahead and select ink, and this will show up, and for instance they can click any type of ink they want and draw on the board, on the slide, sorry, and then they can hit submit down here, close, and then the instructor, same as before, can click on Show Submissions, and they'll be able to look at the submission and show the students. And there it is. Now the final type of submission is an image submission. So to submit an image, the student has to copy it first into their clipboard. So for instance, a student could go to Google. This question is to give an example of a binary tree, and they could go to Google Images and search for binary tree. Click on the one they want, and then copy that image. And now go back to the slides, click on Image. A message is going to appear explaining that they need to have their image on the clipboard. So I already copied it, so it's already on my clipboard. I click on Upload Image from Clipboard, and there's my image. So I just have to go ahead and submit. Close the window, and now the instructor can look at that image. Same as before, they just have to double click to show it to students. And then the students will be able to see that as well. And well, that's basically it, and I hope that was helpful.